Namaste, everyone. How are you today? Today, we are going to work with asanas for longevity, for aging well. Okay, we are going to feel a lot of circulation of blood throughout our body. We will work on mobility, we will work on strength, we will work on our joints. It's going to be a fabulous one. We're going to work on balance. Okay, so let's come standing on our mats. Let's get ready. Perfect. So while you're on your mat, feet hip width apart, and just tuck your tailbone in. So you just tuck it in, so you're engaging your core. And from here, slowly, just very slowly, round the back and go down as much as you can, holding your elbows, just moving, swaying the body left and right. Keep the knees bent. Keep your stomach in so you can really feel the rounding of the lower back. Breathing in and breathing out. Feel the tension melt from your head into the mother and gently releasing the hands, rounding the body and coming up vertebra by vertebra. The head is the last to come up. Beautiful. Now, keeping your left leg steady, open the toes and keep it steady. Taking your right leg. Now, either you're going to balance here, you just lift the leg up and balance, stay here. Or you can place the foot under your knee on the ankle, or you hold your ankle and you place it and you fall. You place it on your inner thigh. Engage your glutes. Just breathe here. Maybe look at a point on the floor. You can place your hands in Namaste if you like. Just building balance, concentration, focus, and release. Beautiful. Shake it up, shake it up. And the other one. Open the toes. So you're really grasping the mat. Okay, you can't ever grasp so well like this, but you can grasp like this. Okay, foot on your ankle or just flying around. Okay, just balancing, or place the foot on your inner right thigh. If you're definitely not able to balance, be next to a wall, a sofa, whatever is near you, you can use that. Squeeze your glutes and breathe. 5 deep breaths. And release. Perfect. Just shake it a little bit, relax your body. And now from here, with the knees slightly bent, I want you to pull the navel in, bring your hands just under your toes like this. So if your knees need to be bent this much, bend them. Okay? And just bring your hand down and try to straighten one leg at a time. So you pedal the legs. Breathe. Keep breathing. Release that stagnant energy from the body. Your head is down, lots of blood moving towards your face. Inhale, look up, interlace the fingers behind your back, and just looking up halfway down. So it's here. Keep your chest open, squeeze the shoulder blades, and really, squeeze the shoulder blades. So you open out your chest. And inhale. Come back. Perfecto. Let's take a seat down now. Widen the legs, like sit in a nice wide-legged stance. If you feel that you're rounding, please, you can have a cushion. Place it on your buttocks. You will rise. You'll feel so much straighter. Okay? Or you can use the back of a wall to give you that support. Now I want us to inhale, arms up. And as you exhale, I want you to hinge from the hip anywhere. So maybe this is where you can reach. If you are rounding, then maybe take your fingertips to the back and really lift up. And that's awesome rather than really closing in. Breathe and feel the oxygen moving into your face. Okay? Otherwise, you fold forward as far down as you want. And breathe. Head is down, chin is between your collarbones. Two more deep breaths. Sink deeper with every breath. Inhale, come back up. And take your hands towards the left leg, one on one side and the other. So your whole spine is now twisting. Inhale and exhale, moving down towards the leg. If you can't and you can just be here, then be here. Because this in itself is a really big shift for you. Okay, don't think, oh my God, I can't go down. No, think, wow, I can keep my legs slightly straight. I can at least twist. I can move my body. And just breathe. Inhale. And back to center. Same left leg. I want you to take your left hand on the leg. And I want you to inhale, right arm up. And as you take it up, I want you to first take it back. Yes, take it back and look at your hand. Gaze at your hand. Very nice. Two more deep breaths. Open. And now, if you want, move diagonal or arm straight. Okay? Whatever you feel like right now. Whatever's feeling good. Breathe. Inhale. Ah. And again, just fold slightly forward to just balance the energy before the other side. Breathe. And gently come back. Twist the body over to the right leg. You can be right here, or you can fold forward.